Hi, thanks for listening. This is Melanie. I don't know if you've ever had a time in your life where something just clicked, but this happened for me the other day. I was on LinkedIn and I was literally looking for something that could help me take my brand to the next level in 2021. During this pandemic, I've had to literally practice the 3 Ps, which are polish, pivot, and plan. I wanted to implement ClickFunnels in my brand because I saw all of these people having all this success online through online sales. We are in a digital era, and it is literally click and order, and it's replaced bricks and mortar. So it's time for you to get on the forefront. If you want to take your sales to the next level, learn some new skills, come on course with me, sign up. I will post a link underneath this video. All you have to do is fill out the information and get started. I'd love for you to have you on this journey with me. And the best part is there's a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not completely satisfied. But after looking at the 7 modules, I was hooked. I knew this was the next step. So thanks for listening, and I'll see you on course.